The unidentified error occurred error within the PlayStation Store is a common issue, often represented by error codes like NP1023-2. This error signifies a breakdown in communication between your console, Sony's servers, and payment processors, preventing successful transactions or access. Several factors contribute to this issue. Unstable internet connections, ideally above 5 megabytes per second, server overload during peak times such as game launches or holidays, account or payment-related problems like expired credit cards or region mismatches, and software glitches stemming from outdated firmware or cache buildup. Initial troubleshooting steps include restarting your console to clear temporary memory, verifying your internet connection through the network test and settings, signing out and back into your PlayStation Network account to refresh authentication, and ensuring your system software is up to date. If the error persists during a purchase, consider alternative payment methods like PayPal or contacting PlayStation support for manual verification. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider more advanced solutions. Clear the PlayStation Store cache through the console's settings. Temporarily disable any VPNs or custom network configurations that might interfere with the connection. As the gaming landscape shifts toward digital ecosystems, these errors highlight the vulnerabilities in cloud-based transactions. Sony is actively working on solutions, including AI-driven monitoring tools to predict and preempt errors, with firmware updates showing a reduction in error rates. Tech experts note that the error reflects the rapid digital expansion of PlayStation. While frustrating, the error is generally considered manageable, with most users resolving it through quick troubleshooting steps. Experts predict that advancements like 5G/6G adoption and blockchain technology for secure transactions could significantly reduce or even eliminate these errors in the future.